In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom in Inkscape like a professional. Mastering the zoom and navigation controls is one of the most important steps in speeding up your workflow and ensuring you have the precision needed for complex vector designs. Whether you are building a logo, an illustration, or a technical diagram, knowing how to move in and out of your canvas quickly is essential. This guide is updated for the latest version of Inkscape and will cover every method from mouse shortcuts to keyboard commands. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see more Inkscape tutorials. Alright, let's get started. To begin, let's talk about the primary way to access zoom functions, which is the dedicated zoom tool. You can activate this by pressing Z on your keyboard or using the F3 function key. Once this tool is active, your cursor becomes a magnifying glass. Before you perform any action, ensure your mouse is hovered directly over the specific area of the canvas you wish to focus on, as Inkscape will zoom in to the point where your cursor is positioned. Now, let's look at the fastest zooming methods, which involve using your mouse and scroll wheel. To zoom in quickly, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel up. To zoom out, continue holding Control and scroll the mouse wheel down. It is worth noting that if you have modified your settings and enabled zoom when scrolling without control in the Preferences menu, you can simply scroll the wheel without holding any keys. This is a matter of personal preference, but can be a huge time saver. If you prefer using your keyboard, Inkscape offers a variety of numeric shortcuts. Pressing the plus or plus key will zoom you in incrementally, while the minus or minus key zooms you out. For specific scales, pressing the 1 key will instantly set your zoom to a 1:1 ratio or 100% scale. If you need to see more of your project, pressing the 2 key will set the zoom to a 1:2 ratio, which is 50% scale. Perhaps the most useful shortcuts for detailed work are the contextual zoom keys, often called the fit keys. If you have an object selected and want to focus entirely on it, just press the 3 key. This will zoom to fit the selection perfectly to your screen. If you have many objects scattered across your document and want to see everything at once, press the 4 key to zoom to fit all objects on the canvas. If you want to see how your work fits within the actual document boundaries, press the 5 key to zoom to fit the page width. Another great technique with the zoom tool active is the mouse drag zoom. With the tool selected by pressing Z, you can click and drag a box around a specific area or detail, and Inkscape will zoom directly into that region as soon as you release the mouse button. If you need to reverse this while the tool is active, simply hold Shift and click your mouse to zoom back out. While you are zoomed in, you will likely need to move around the project. You can do this by pressing and holding the middle mouse button, which is usually your scroll wheel, to pan across the canvas freely without changing your zoom level. Be careful not to accidentally rotate your canvas while zooming. If you find your workspace has become tilted, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus R to instantly reset the canvas rotation to 0. Finally, you can always check your exact scale in the status bar located at the bottom right corner of the window. You can even click there and type a specific percentage manually and press Enter. And that is it. You now know every major way to zoom in Inkscape. If this video helped you, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.